little bit of oil leakage. That's from this plug that I used when I relocated the dipstick down to the new Raceline oil pan. So I need to do something about that. I will later. It's a future me problem.
The next morning.
The plug on the right was a bad idea. I thought it would work. It was just a really simple design. Slip fit in, schmoot up with some RTV, and you know, hopefully it would hold. Oil was able to leak out past the RTV and all that. Plug on the left is something I just designed up this morning. It uses a couple of O-rings that provide a positive pressure against the dipstick tube. This will be better at keeping the oil inside of the valve cover. And I don't know, I went too fancy on it. Looks nice.